An automated car wash is a place where cars get clean without people having to wash them by hand. Imagine a big machine that does all the work for you. The pros of a car wash are it's quick and easy, no hard work required, and constant cleaning. And the cons are you might miss spots, there are possible scratches, and water spots might be left after drying. The cost of an automated car wash can vary depending on the services you choose. On average, a basic car wash costs between $10 and $20. If you want to add extra services like undercarriage wash, tire shine, or waxing, the price can go up to $30 or more. Welcome to the car wash. Your car drives up to the entrance and stops. A friendly machine will guide your car onto a special track. Getting ready. The car wash starts by spraying water all over your car to get it nice and wet. It's like a big shower for your car. Soapy time. Next, big brushes and rollers covered in soap come out. They spin and scrub your car to make sure all the dirt and grime are washed away. It's like your car getting a bubbly bath. Rinse off. After the soap, more water sprays to rinse off all the bubbles and soap. Your car is now squeaky clean. Drying time. Big blow dryers come out and blow air all over your car to dry it off. It's like a giant hair dryer for your car. Shiny finish. Some car washes even add a special wax to make your car extra shiny and protect the paint. It's like putting sunscreen for your car. All done. Finally, your car rolls out of the car wash looking clean and shiny, ready for its next adventure. That's how an automated car wash works.